Lion. Lions have golden fur and a big mane around the male's head. They live in grasslands in Africa. Lions are called the king of beasts. Tiger. Tigers have orange fur with black stripes. They live in forests and jungles. Tigers are strong hunters and excellent swimmers. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals with long trunks. They live in Africa and Asia. They use their trunks to drink water and grab food. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest animals with long necks. They live in African savannas. They eat leaves from tall trees. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes. They live in African grasslands. Their stripes help confuse predators. Hippopotamus. Hippos have big round bodies and love water. They live in rivers and lakes in Africa. Hippos spend most of the day in water to stay cool. Rhinoceros. Rhinos are large animals with thick skin and horns on their noses. They live in Africa and Asia. They eat grass and plants. Panda. Pandas are black and white bears. They live in bamboo forests in China. They spend most of their time eating bamboo. Kangaroo. Kangaroos have strong legs and a pouch for carrying babies. They live in Australia. They hop quickly and can jump far. Koala. Koalas are gray, fluffy animals with big noses. They live in eucalyptus trees in Australia. Koalas eat only eucalyptus leaves. Penguin. Penguins are black and white birds that cannot fly. They live in cold places like Antarctica. Penguins waddle on land and swim fast in the water. Polar bear. Polar bears have thick white fur. They live in the Arctic. They are excellent swimmers and hunt seals. Grizzly bear. Grizzly bears have brown fur and long claws. They live in forests and mountains in North America. They eat fish plants and berries. Leopard. Leopards have golden fur with black spots. They live in Africa and Asia. They are fast and can climb trees easily. Cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals. They live in African grasslands. Their slender bodies help them run quickly to catch prey. Jaguar. Jaguars have yellow coats with black rosettes. They live in rainforests of Central and South America. Jaguars are strong swimmers and love water. Snow leopard. Snow leopards have thick gray fur with dark spots. They live in cold mountains of Central Asia. They can jump far and climb steep rocks. Sloth. Sloths have long claws and move very slowly. They live in tropical forests of Central and South America. They spend most of their lives hanging upside down in trees. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are intelligent apes with black hair. They live in African forests. They use tools and live in family groups. Gorilla. Gorillas are the largest apes with strong muscles. They live in African rainforests. They are gentle and eat plants and fruits.